Hello, my dear friend. This is Jerry from Longza Machinery. Today we make a test with our fly dye pellet machine. We use the grain seed to test the machine to make the fertilizer pellet. This machine is for our Korea customer, and they bought this machine to make the fertilizer pellet 5 millimeters. And behind me is the pellet machine. The model number is SKG65. That means the fly dye diameter is 650 millimeters in diameter. And this machine also has 3 rollers, 3 flat rollers. This machine, this is the fitting hopper, and this is the pelletizing room, and this is the output hopper. And inside of this machine, you will see there are 3 rollers and a fly dye. This fly dye pellet machine is suitable for making a fertilizer pellet. And this machine with 90 kilowatts electric motor, the capacity is 3 tons per hour. 3 tons per hour. And we fit this fly dye with 5 millimeters as a customer requirement. This pellet machine with a very strong industrial gearbox. And with the stronger gearbox, it can supply very high pressure to the pellet machine. And with the pellet machine, we also have the automatic oil lubricating system. It's from here. This is an oil lubricating pump, lubricating the main shaft bearings. The main shaft bearings is lubricated automatically. No need manual fitting oil. This raw material, we use this raw material is a grain seed shell. This one to test for this material. And from here you can see that this is the finished product. 5 millimeters in diameter. About 3 to 4 centimeters in length. The cylinder shape pellet. And the black one is the lubricated material, because we need because this pellet machine is a new machine. We need lubricate the new fly dye. Okay, and also we have different type of pellet machine testing our customers' raw materials to make pellet. For example, you will say that this is the pellet machine with a 45 kilowatts electric motor, and this one, smaller one, we make wood pellet. We fit with a 30 kilowatts electric motor, and also we have a smaller one, 22 kilowatts electric motor power pellet machine to test the fertilizer pellet for our customers. And also we have a smaller one. If you have any requirement, you can contact Jerry. We will satisfy your requirement. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.